What's up, guys? Today you're gonna be watching some funny shit, cause I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, so my GoPro didn't catch everything, but it was just stupid throttle control. This is the first time I'm actually going to run this thing. And it's funny because the whole thing is leaning fucking sideways. This whole thing is leaning sideways and my tire is almost flat. Good old rider courses. It's funny. Me and Andrew are the only two people here with clutches, except for her over there. I swear to God, these Can-Ams are like, it's just like a car. Okay, so I am on I assume an 80s or 90s Honda Nighthawk, and I am way too big for this little 250. Got 50 pounds of ballast in this stupid plastic tub. At least I got a steering dampener. And it's like, hey, cool. 2 gauges, vintage Honda. Nice little speedometer and odometer. And a tach. Oh, no, that's just condescending. I mean, like, what's the point? I mean, I'd say it looks like everyone's doing pretty well, but you don't even have a clutch. You can accelerate or you can brake, and then that's it. Wait, I mean, you still have to change gears, but none of these people have changed gears yet, probably. Still, no one's crashed. That's the important thing. Steering these things is going to be the wildest. So is your clutch like 90% and then 10%? Like, up here is like where it bites. Duh. Keys. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at that lean. There's like no suspension on the right side. That thing's almost off the ground. This clutch is like, it bites right at the top. So it's like you go nowhere when you hit the gas. Very different from the Scout. Andrew doesn't look like he's doing too terrible. By the way, I'm out here with my roommate. You've seen him in videos before. Alright, so I just gotta lean into my turns and whatnot. Here we go. It's not too bad.
Nicely done.
Look at me being a little good straight A student. Look at this thing just veering. Oh. There goes Andrew. Look at that fucking chair. It's just all the way over. Proper mounting technique is weird. Ugh. So this thing is a lot harder to stall at low speeds than I thought. A little bit. Yeah, I got it up a little bit, but it didn't make me panic at all. I knew what I was doing. Yeah, you feel it immediately, and it's not something that scares you right away. Yeah, it wasn't much. My problem was I was using clutch to slow down, and he was like, don't use clutch at all, and I'm like, I don't want to stall. And then I realized my engine is a fraction of the size of my engine at home, so it's harder to stall. Oh, this is weird.
And that's all we're doing.
Oh my God, I'm too tall for this. Oh. The trick to this course is to use zero clutch and just engine brake everywhere. I didn't know it was going to be that easy. I got to ride in my sidecar because my instructor just basically told me, yeah, you can't use clutch. Alright, this is a leaning exercise, so let's lean. That's totally natural. See, I was thinking, oh, come on, you fucking neutral switch piece of shit. See, I was thinking that I was going to have so much trouble translating from 2 wheels because you steer in the opposite direction. I was thinking you'd be like having to relearn all of your instincts. Not the case. It's not like you're riding a motorcycle, but it's not like you're... Riding this is easier once you have the muscle memory down. And you already have the muscle memory, you just need to wake it up. I shouldn't call it muscle memory because, I mean, you don't have any memory of it, but you know what I mean. You use your muscles, and it's easier to do it than it is to say the words 4-wheeler or motorcycle. Saying the difference between those two. Does that make sense? That probably doesn't make sense. It's not bad. I encourage everyone to give this a try. You know, if you ever have any interest in a 3-wheeler. Corner stopping. Let's do this. Alright, this is where I risk flying the chair, so this will be interesting. I did a little bit earlier, and it didn't feel too bad. Once it comes up off the ground, you're immediately aware of it, so it's like, it doesn't surprise you. You know, as long as you're expecting that you're gonna have it happen, because you're driving a sidecar. Yeah, whatever. We'll see. I got to imagine these Can-Ams are a lot easier to operate than the Sidecar, and the Sidecar thing is just, it's pretty much piece of cake if you already know how to ride a motorcycle. I mean, these guys don't have clutches. They have gears, but you know, they're paddles and they'll shift down automatically, and linked front and rear brakes, and it's only on one pedal, so it's basically just like driving a car with your hand on the throttle. More like driving a jet ski, something like that. You get the point. Okay, this is the second day, but we're doing more courses now. Not quite the test yet, but I'm doing no ballast in the Sidecar. Drifting. This one's gonna be fucking hard. First try wasn't bad. That was fun. This is not a race course. This is not a race course. This is not a race course. Alright, emergency braking. This shouldn't be too hard, unless I do a stoppie and then crash. I don't think you can do a stoppie in a trike. We'll find out. Did you know you can skid the front tire? Alright, emergency swerving. This thing does not go fast or go anywhere at all. F***ing 250s, man. It's probably gonna have me go the right side again. It would only make sense. You got me with that one. That was a surprise. That was hard.
That was. It's hard to shift my body in this thing because, one, my ass is too small, and two, the seat doesn't want to let you move.
Well, you're not getting knocked for wheels coming off the ground.
True. I saw yours go over the cone once.
Yeah.
Floated the wheel over the cone.
You saw it too.
Look, as long as the baby is only that tall,
You're good.
it's not a problem. It's unbelievably hard to not have this thing come up with no ballast in it. I don't know if it's just this bike, the setup, how far I'm tilted to the left. Alright, here's Andrew trying to fly the chair on purpose. It's not hard. It's way easy. It's weird because now I'm trying to throw everything out that I just learned.
You get busy getting in. There you go. Now press with that left hand, lean out instead of in. Alright?
I'm trying to figure out where my tip over angle is. Like right there. Yeah, it's that last pull once you get to the balancing point to keep you there.
Exactly.
That's what I got to figure out.
Yeah.
Remember in the classroom we talked about once a motorcycle, once the sidecar is up.
Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for me. I just wanted to have a little fun and show you guys my experience at the course. I didn't actually film many of my testing just because I was too focused on, well, testing, but you get the point. I passed. It was a good time. I'm glad I got to finally learn how to do a sidecar motorcycle. I mean, I like them, but okay, yeah, I totally do it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed that, I'm glad you did and you made it this far. Why don't you check out some of my other motovlogs. I'd like to do a video actually teaching how to ride a sidecar motorcycle, but kind of hard to do that when you don't actually own one. But I guess the cat's out of the bag. I've been wanting to do some three-wheel stuff for a little while, and I'm only interested in sidecars. I don't really care for trikes or Can-Ams or anything like that, but I'm gonna be looking for a Ural dealership because I have been lusting after Urals for quite a minute now. I love Ural motorcycles, especially now that their build quality's gone way up from the horrible reliability you'd hear about before. I'm really intrigued by them. It turns out I like the three-wheel experience. I really want to learn, but I mean, you guys don't have to worry. I'm not gonna ditch Indian. Sidecar motorcycles are not cheap, and while I did pay roughly what you could pay for a used Ural now, I highly doubt I would trade two wheels for three. At least not at this point in my life. Maybe if I become a cripple somehow. We'll see. But yeah, if you guys made it this far, thanks for watching. It's been a good time, good learning experience. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me just f***ing around on a sidecar. Anyways, see y'all in the next video. Peace.